analyst, and I also teach people how to trade in Zalestar. So today I think it's a new event, not event actually, a new, let's say, a decision we've made that we're going to be starting live trading sessions on social media. First of all, I want to start with the risk disclaimer, as you know, it's just standard procedures. Forex or CFD trading involves significant risk of losses, and it's not suitable for all investors. The content in this video is going to be for educational purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment. I'm going to show you our bias on gold since the morning, and what are the reports showing today. So we're going to Forex Factory. Feel free to use any other website if you're comfortable with MyFX Book or Financial Juice or Investing.com, up to your preference. So we can see that today, in about 3 minutes from now, we're going to have the unemployment claims, right? In about 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Now, the unemployment claims is a very important report for day traders because it's going to have some certain amount of volatility on the market. So we can see that the previous unemployment was we can see that the previous one was positive to the dollar, which was bearish to gold, and right now we're about to trade gold with it as well. So the forecast for this report is 232,000. The previous was 227,000. I'm not a big fundamental analysis when it comes to reports and expectations, but we're expecting a weaker report, or let's say negative impact on the dollar as per Forex Factory's calculations. Now, our technical bias on gold, if we take a look on, which one was it? For some reason I can't find which account and which broker I did the analysis on. Anyways, we don't really have a lot of time for this. So since the morning at exactly about 12:50, 12:52, by the way, this is a demo account. We are not financial advisors, and the content in this video is for educational purposes only, so make sure to have that noted down. Now, the reasons why I was taking sell positions is that the fact that we can see the market has been trending up for quite some time, and now we are having this descending triangle pattern, which is a bearish pattern. So my entry was after this rejection here at this shooting star pattern. The stop loss is slightly above it, and I'm targeting areas after the liquidity of here. So what we want to do, the report is coming now. What we want to do is we want to put our stop losses, I'm not used to this doing it live. We want to put our stop loss right above our the current, so the candles are here. We want to put our stop loss here, right, just in case the report comes positive, which should be 2,501, right? So we're going to edit these to 01, here as well, it was 2,510. Now we're gonna put it 2,501 just in case the market reflects to the upside, right? So as you can see, my entry was here, my stop loss was here, and right now, just in case the report comes positive to gold and negative on dollar and price goes up, so we always keep ourselves in a good position, booking our profit. However, okay, so let's see what the report hasn't came yet, the results. So we should always, usually we follow a different strategy when it comes to way of trading financial reports. Oh, it came actually as expected, which means lower than the previous. Is it making an impact? Still not really. All right, so I want everybody here watching me to understand something, that fundamentals are not really split away from technicals. Right, so when we are studying, when we are doing our technical analysis, we are analyzing previous movement of the market, previous data, previous price movements, which also means that previous economic reports, previous news, previous supply and demands, previous micropolitics, everything happened, geopolitics, everything happened in the past, it's also represented on the chart. So one of key reasons, one of key points here to understand is that it is true that technically the market is bearish right now, okay, but also that doesn't separate the fact that my expectations was for the report to come negative on gold, positive on the dollar, and pushing the price down. Why? Because fundamentals and technicals actually complete themselves, making a perfect picture in the market and how market functions. So this report came actually as consensus, as expected. In other scenarios where reports come not as expected, what would we do? So there are many ways to trade that actually. I don't think I'm going to talk about it right now since it's not, let's make it a topic for another video. But currently we will just sit and watch where the price keeps going, what happens in the market. Okay, now since there isn't really much about the report itself, and I was actually in a very narrow timing, just arranging everything. I just had a class now and to arrange everything together, that's why it's not all settled up for. However, I can talk about I can talk about more what gold is doing or what is not, and what we're expecting it to do in the nearby future. Okay, I'm not sure how long I should be making this video yet. So. Okay. Now since the market is retracing a little bit up, it might come up to close this fair value gap before continuing moving down. So in that case, the market might go up and hit our stop loss, booking some profits for us on 201. Yeah, it might just cross a little bit above it, going to 02, 03. Yeah, so I might as well make a stop loss on 2504.5, just in case if the market goes up. Yeah, you see, in this case, I might make my profit less guaranteed, but also, okay, it hit our stop losses already. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's also a demo account for educational purposes. But anyways, the point I'm trying to explain here is that even if the price goes up here and closes, let's make it on TradingView more clear. If price goes above here, comes to this fair value gap, and from here, right, it retraces down. If I keep my stop loss here, right above, right at the beginning of this fair value gap, it's true I'm gonna make the most profit out of managing my risk inside this trade. However, if I raise my stop loss and I put it exactly above this fair value gap, above the candle that has the fair value gap, I will have less guaranteed profit books, which is because I sold at 2506, so it'll be like around $1.50 in profit. However, it will give me more space, or not me actually, it will give the price more space to move more freely, as in a natural move. In fact, I might as well look for another sell here, and I will take it in a lower time frame. Just let me, I'm gonna wait till I find confirmation here. The market might just go up to this fair value gap, or might actually go up to this fair value gap in a lower time frame. Okay, focus a little bit. So if it goes up to here, I'll look for confirmations, and I might as well sell from here again. If not from here, continue going up. I will also look for confirmations to sell from here, and I will keep looking for sell in these areas until the price breaks above this pattern. That's if it does, and most likely it's not going to, because the uptrend is already been on the run for quite some time, and the market is most likely will be looking to liquidate some support areas, or sell stop liquidities. So we'll see how this goes. This is about it for our live trading session today, and we might as well do another one on 5:45 later on when the PMIs come active. If not today, maybe some other day. Alright, so that will be it for our analysis on the... Nothing really happened with the report, but it is what it is. Yeah, our bias is still bearish, and fortunately nothing happened with the report itself, so we couldn't really utilize anything out of it, but it is what it is. We don't control markets, we wait markets to do something that gives us an indication that prices should move to a certain direction from that area, and that area is exactly where we start making decisions to buy or to sell. Yeah. Just to mention, there were about 4 or 5 reasons why the price was expected to fall from here. I believe I mentioned 3 of them so far. So this is what basically we teach our students, how to find reasons to buy or to sell, and once things make sense is exactly the time where you want to enter the market. See, from this fair value gap, price began to retrace, but I still do not have a confirmation. So a lot of people will start selling right exactly at this fair value gap, but me myself, I consider this as a risky sell. It is an aggressive and potentially profitable profitable sell, because not we're just at fair value gaps, we're also at a resistance to this down movement, and the market left a very hefty fair value gap here and another Marubozu, so the market should go down a little bit, but I consider risky because we don't have enough of confirmations. We can still see a thick green candle moving to the upside, which means buyers are still enrolled in the game. Why should I sell exactly when people are buying it? You should wait to find weakness in purchasing and at a convenient price location, and then it could be a good area to sell after you get that confirmation that the market should revert from that area. Okay, so I hope my voice is loud and clear because the microphone is a little bit away. Okay, it is good, should be all great. Okay, nice. I have 6 viewers. Hi everyone. Okay, I'm not sure if I should continue this or not, but yeah. Okay, we are seeing some down movement from here. Now, if this creates me a candlestick pattern, an engulfing pattern, or probably I'm looking to see an engulfing, that would be favored by me. If I get some shooting star, or even if it makes me an evening star, I'll also look to sell from there. However, this also doesn't look very good to enter a sell position. For those who don't know, I'm on 5 minutes time frame, because you can see this wick coming up exactly where the market broke this resistance. So this could be an up movement for a certain period of time. So this is how I get my confirmations. I'm not going to sell from here. Overall, I'm still bearish on gold right now. I'm just looking for a confirmation to enter a sell, right? Until the price breaks these highs, I will still be looking to sell. That's about it. Yeah. That's what trading is about, guys. Oh, do we have... Okay, we do have a live chat. Nice. Supporting you from UK. Thank you. Hi. Good, yes. Watching from Sri Lanka. Hi, thank you for attending. Hi, Ansar. Welcome around to the podcast, or live, not the podcast, my bad, live trading session. Yeah, so that's it. That's about it. We're still looking for confirmations. That's how trading works, guys. We just do analysis on a higher time frame. We understand what is the trend, we understand where the market is going, then we start getting more informations from lower time frames, details, confirmations, understand what buyers and sellers are doing, understanding where is, let's say, the pressure. Is it the pressure on selling? Is the pressure on buying? Sometimes hours are spent in the market without a good indication where the price should move next. All right, now a New York session is about to open in 17 minutes. So from there, we should be looking for a trend at least. Now, if we consider the opening price of the day today, so we can look at, let's go to 30 minutes. Okay. 30 minutes, we can look at market opening today. Okay, we can see an Asian session price went down. London was consolidating pretty much, but also creating us a little bit of a downtrend or a descending channel today. So, and the price is still the same until price breaks above the support. Okay, 30 minutes looks a little bit bearish. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Nothing really happening, not as much. Alright everyone, so that should be about it for this session. I don't want to make it long, actually. I still have other things to do. So if I have the time today, I might as well go for 5:45, like after 1 hour from now, and continue this live trading for today, show you results, show you how things are working out. and potentially if I open any trade as well during this time. Okay, if this candle closes red now, I want to see something going to here like a Marubozu candle, and then I can look to sell. All right. However, this is going to be it for now, and yeah, I'll see you soon in another one.